and it's smooth.
Right, he got right into the soft stuff.
Guess what? Another day, another tow. We've got an Audi A3 stuck just north of us, so we're gonna go pull them out. They're pretty close to the ramp, so come along for the ride. See what we got, see what we're gonna do. Hello, my friend. Hello. All right, that's a pretty car. It's low. That's right, you know, it's probably all-wheel drive, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's just really low to the ground, so you don't have enough clearance to get through. Well, I think, even with digging, sure what's down here. Oh, there we go. I feel something, feel a control arm. I don't have to dig into the back here. All right, we got front and rear. Question is, do I want to drag them backwards and try and bring them up that? I'm trying to decide whether I want to drag you backwards and try and bring you back up that ramp, or hook onto the front of you and just take you down to the next ramp. And it's kind of 6 of one, half a dozen of the other right now. So would you rather have a slow and arduous reverse and then work our way out, or would you rather me hook up to the front and we do a Baja together like on the jungle ride and go out to the other ramp?
I think
you think backwards? Okay, just checking. Just checking.
Wanna be fast and smooth.
Fast and smooth.
I mean, you know what?
We can do that.
I do.
Quick to get out here.
We're gonna get you. I'm gonna get behind you, get all hooked up, then I'll let you know what we need to do. For right now, just relax. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Just so you know, we have a little bit of a social media presence. So you might find yourself on YouTube. You might find yourself on TikTok. You might find yourself. All right, what do I want to use? I want to use the BA for the control arm grab. And then I got the 20 foot up there that I'll use so we can get, I don't know if I'm gonna go backwards with him up the ramp or pull him backwards and then have him go straight up the ramp. We'll have to figure it out when we get to it. I appreciate it. This is how I stay in shape. Ugh. I will give you a discount, but it's not for letting me shovel, it's for letting me put you on YouTube. Yeah. Should be enough for me to get down in there. Remind me to tell Johnny we're gonna have to order a couple more of these. Ooh. Santo, this is John. Are you stuck? Yes, ma'am. We're pulling out a white Audi right behind you. I see you. We'll be right up there as soon as we're done, okay? Yeah, just get out, enjoy the water. We'll see you in about 10 minutes. Yeah.
You can have a full day.
Yeah.
This quicksand's gonna keep you
in the summer, yeah, this coquina shell is just
slippery.
There's
Even locking dips don't always count.
there's no relief from it now because we had no hurricane.
Yeah.
Normally the hurricane wipes this top layer off, and it's like April, May before it comes back. But this year we never lost it.
You even see Jeeps with full locking dips get stuck out here.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like super four-wheel drive.
Yep. Well, more up north of us here,
Right,
like a
yeah.
mile or so up. That's the.
Locking front and rear?
That's our Moab. Yeah, this thing has
Locking rear.
this is an E-lock rear and a computer lock front on the Pro.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's got a computer lock front.
Yeah, I'm wondering if I should even. I'm not gonna go any further now. I think I'm ready to go.
Oh, you're fine.
Oh man. As soon as you cut the wheel and sink, it's over.
It is, man. As soon as a kid runs in front of you and you got to step on the brakes, I get a lot of that.
As soon as I break momentum, I'm over with.
Yep. Well, you know, you air down. You're a local. You can air down there, back up when you get home. Oh, did I get you? No. Woo!
Yeah, you got 3 in a row down there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. Ready? Hop in. What's up, buddy? No, I don't need none. Here, take your stuff.
All right.
Step back away so I don't run you over.
Her and then another one in front of her.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys, so this is what we're going to do. You're going to be in reverse. And I'm not going to take off and do a big bump. I'm just going to do a little bit of a bump to you. Christian will be right here, and what he's going to do is I want you giving it gas right before I hit you. Not because after I hit that, it's going to sink me, then you hit it's kind of off sync. So at the same time as I'm going back, go ahead and give it a little gas. And then I think what I'm probably going to do is just go out wide and then go up towards the ramp with you behind me. And then I'll get the attendant to open the ramp and hold it open. We'll just go up all the way together, okay? You ready? Yeah. If something happens and I stop, let off the gas, we'll readjust it, hit it again, okay? Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Start going. Keep going.
Sweet.
All right, excellent.
Yeah.
Whoa. Great driving. Smooth. Let me get you unhooked. Just like you asked for. Smooth and
That
fast.
was fun.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get them to open this gate. I'm going to pull up and you pull up, and then you got to do like a 5-point turn back there to get turned around and head back out.
Later that same evening.
Oh. They sent it and sunk the crap out of that thing. We could probably pull that out in 2-wheel drive if I wanted.
Don't be cocky.
2-wheel drive right now.
So are they.
Alright. Oh, it's windy.
Man, I used to put my Duramaxes with 4-wheel drive and never had to use it. And then I get this little Tacoma and I come in here and I'm like,
Yeah, it's soft,
I said,
ain't it?
you know what I mean? I'm
Yeah.
like, yeah, it's 4-wheel drive. And
Yeah.
didn't even make it in here nothing. I was like,
Jeez,
is it
jeez.
better down the beach or is it?
Yeah, if you go down like 15 minutes, it just gets gotten
We
soft
just
up here on
happened
the
to eat
north
right
end.
here and I looked and I was like,
Yeah.
let's go on the beach.
Yeah, for sure, man. For sure. What was your name?
I got on here and I was like, I need to turn around. Josh.
Josh, John.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man. Hell yeah. If you don't mind if we get some footage of the recovery.
Dude.
Sweet. All right, so basically,
You like, chug a beer, dude, you dumb, like.
I mean, I can't tell you to. No, I'm just kidding. But basically, all we're gonna do is I'm gonna put a hard shackle in there. I'm gonna get a rope on it, and we'll just back you up real easy to here. And then I honestly think once you're on the hard sand, you get some speed up and you can rip out of here.
Yeah, I'll rip out if I can. You know, if worst case I get stuck, you're here.
Yeah. Hell yeah, man. Let's get you hooked up.
What you need me to do? Just sit there?
Yeah, yep, basically, once I get it hooked up, you'll just help me with a little bit of gas. We'll get you back down in the hard stuff.
Yep. And then I'll just pull forward out.
Yep. Oh, this pin is so weird. Oh, this is bent in. Oh, what the heck?
I've never seen that.
And look at this. It like almost went all the way through. All right. I think this Jeep might be a little bit jealous that we got the tow.
Oh well.
No good angle on these Tacomas to get the pin in and out. I low-key hate it. Low-key hate it. Look at him ripping out. Okay. It is Honda.
Oh yeah.
Get the go. All right, here we go.
There we go.
Sweet. Beautiful. That's what we wanted.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
That was easy.
Yeah, once I get unhooked, you'll be able to back up and then we can rip it out.
Then I get a straight shot, yeah.
Ugh. Oh, we have the same pin, basically. It's hilarious.
I think he just picked it. So it's harder to take out.
Yeah. Anyway.
Get out of here, just come up to the window to save me embarrassment.
I'm gonna pull forward. I think, honestly, you might want to get like where I'm at.
You want me to pull forward and make like a 10-point turn?
Yeah, you're gonna want to get straight, but that's what I was saying. Like, if you come over here, like literally straight in between these traffic signs right here.
So just reverse?
Yeah.
Forward through?
Yeah, I'll walk you through it. I'm gonna pull up out of your way. Wait. Get backed up and get your speed up. You're not gonna have enough speed. Back up real slow. Wait, hold on. Let me give you a push.
Not bad.
You're good. All right, go.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. You have your traction control off?
It's
The little dude doing a burnout, it is off?
On?
Nope, keep it off. So we're gonna wait for this tide to go out and we're gonna back up like another 15 feet. You wanna start slow and get your speed up, hit like 15 and rip to it.
Yeah.
All right, let's wait for this.
You wanna go ahead and I'll pay you so we don't have to...
No, I'll get with you up there, I'll get you
When I
up
can get out
there.
of here, I can roll.
Oh yeah, if you want, hold on.
That's cold.
Wait for that wave to go out. All right, back up like 10 feet.
Oh yeah, you're not barefoot for once.
All right, now rip it.
Keep going.
Keep going, stay on it.
He's got it.
Jeez. He almost let off.
Yeah. That was funny.
Right, he got right into the soft stuff and then let off the gas.
Yep.
It's hilarious.
Oh yeah.
No,
Good job, dude. That was dope.
I was throttle full, but I can't keep going because of traction.
Yeah. Oh, I thought we had it off. Did it kick back on? Either way, you made it. I know you got like halfway in and you let off the gas. I was like, no, keep going, keep going. Yeah, I think it was off.
No, it was off.
Either way, you made it, so we're good.
Turn it
You just had me scared there for a second.
Yeah, no, I was full speed, throttle down.
Yeah, it kicked in. You like stopped right in the
keep
middle
going,
of
keep
it,
going.
and then it just kicked in. I
foot-
thought you were done for a second, but she ripped through it. That was pretty funny. That was sick. There you go. See, there's content.
Yeah, no, my foot didn't move, bro.
See, it happens naturally. The good stuff happens naturally.
Yeah, no, straight. Like I was like, why the f is it stopping?
Yeah, yeah, that's really
They're
weird.
like, go, 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 and I'm thinking,
Maybe it just had a delayed shift.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys have a good one, okay?
Yeah, man. Hey, do you need a review or something?
If you want Google or whatever, you definitely review us or check us out online. Santo on all platforms. This will be up on YouTube.
Send me a link if you can.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Hey, yeah, have a good one. All right, guys, got the Tacoma up out of here. See ya.
Subscribe to Santo.
Here you go, baby. Like and subscribe to Santo. They're the best.